How to sign in to your Stumble Guys account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can sign in to your Stumble Guys account in just few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Stumble Guys app on your phone, and once you have opened it, on the main interface you can see the settings icon in the top right corner of the screen. Simply tap on that and you'll be prompted to the settings page. Now, once you're inside the settings menu, make sure that you are in the general tab. You can even find different tabs at the bottom. Now, in the general tab, you can see two options. That is to save your progress with Scopely account or a Google account. You can simply tap on connect beside that option to connect the way that you want. And for this video, I'm gonna simply tap on the first option. And after tapping on that, a pop-up menu will appear with two options. We can either log in with a Facebook or log in with our mail account. And now I'm gonna simply tap on mail. And after tapping on that, you simply have to enter your Stumble Guys account email. And once you're done with that, you simply have to tap on continue. And on the next page, you simply have to type in your passport for that. And once you're done with that, you can simply log in. It may take few moments depending on your internet speed, but once completed, you'll be signed in to your Stumble Guys account and you'll be ready to play it. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.